Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the state space model of DC to DC boost converter. The state space model is a mathematical model of physical system which relates the input and the output and the state variables. These are related by the first order differential equations. The state variables are the set of variables used to describe the dynamics of the system. The output variables or values depends on the state variables. That is, the value of the output or the output variables, they are dependent on the state variables. The advantage of state space model is that it can be applicable to any type of system, such as linear, non-linear, time invariant, single input and single output, multi-input and multi-output systems. What is the necessity for a state space model? Why? Because if you want to get the transfer function of any system, which includes many components and involves many design equations, it is easy to get the transfer function of that particular system if you have the state space model with you. And for nonlinear system, it can be applied. And for time invariant system also, we can apply the state space model. It can be applied to multiple input and multiple output system. And it gives the idea about the internal state of the system. And the technique can be used for linear, non-linear, time variant, and time invariant systems. State space model of any system consists of two equations, the state equation and the output equation. State equation is given by x dot equal to ax plus bu. The output equation is given by y is equal to cx plus du, where x is the state vector, x dot is the derivative of the state vector, y is the output vector, u is the input vector, a is the state transition matrix, b is the input matrix, c is the output matrix, and d is the feed-forward matrix. Now we are going to derive the state space model of boost converter. We know that the boost converter can operate in two modes. Mode 1, during which the switch is in the on condition. Mode 2, during which the switch is in the off condition. Mode 1 equations, that is, during the mode 1, we have to write the differential equations. And from the differential equations, we have to get the state model. Now, let us consider the mode 1. In this mode 1, the switch is in the on condition. So, there are two energy storage elements, L and C, which the current through the inductor, it is considered as one state variable, and the voltage across the capacitor is taken as the another state variable. So, we need to have, in order to get the state equation, we need to have dIL by dt and dVc by dt. So, during the mode 1, we can write VL equal to L into di by dt, which can be rewritten as dIL by dt is equal to 1 by L into Vs. Similarly, we can write the voltage across the capacitor C into dVc by dt. That is, by applying the nodal equation here, we can write C into dVc by dt equal to minus I naught, which gives dVc by dt equal to 1 by C into minus Vc by R. So, writing the two equations dIL by dt and dVc by dt in the matrix form, we get IL dot, that is nothing but dIL by dt, and Vc dot is nothing but dVc by dt equal to 0, 0, 0 minus 1 by RC IL Vc plus 1 by L 0 Vs, where this matrix is called as A1 matrix and this vector is called as B1 vector. Similarly, for mode 2, during which we are going to keep the switch in the off condition, and during that time diode will be in on condition, again we can write the voltage across the inductor and the current through the capacitor. Voltage across the inductor, it can be written as Vs minus L di by dt equal to V naught, which gives the IL by dt equal to 1 by L into Vs minus Vc. And similarly, C into dVc by dt, we can write it as IL minus I naught, that gives dVc by dt equal to 1 by C into IL minus Vc by R. So, writing the above two equations in the matrix form, we get IL dot VL dot equal to, IL dot Vc dot equal to 0 minus 1 by L, 1 by C minus 1 by RC into IL Vc plus 1 by L 0 into Vs, where this matrix is A2 matrix and this is B2 vector. Now we can write the output equation for mode 1 and mode 2. The output equation is nothing but V naught is equal to Vc which can be written in the matrix form as 0, 1 ILBC, but 0, 1 is the C1 matrix, C1 vector. And similarly for mode 2, the output equation is V naught is equal to VC, which is again equal to Y is equal to 0, 1 ILVC. So which is nothing, 0, 1 is nothing but C2. So combining the state equation and the output equation, we can write the state space model for mode 1 and mode 2 separately, which are written here. IL dot VC dot equal to 0, 0, 0 minus 1 by RC ILVC plus 1 by L0 VS, and the output equation is Y is equal to 0, 1 ILVC. Similarly, for mode 2, the state equation is IL dot VC dot equal to 0 minus 1 by L, 1 by C minus 1 by RC, ILVC plus 1 by L0 VS, and Y is equal to 0, 1 ILVC. So we have obtained the state space model for mode 1 and mode 2 separately. Now, in order to have the average state space model, which is nothing but the overall state space model of the DC boost converter, we need to combine both the on and off period equations, and we have to get the entire model as a single common model. So it does this average states model. It does the approximation of the switching converter as a continuous linear system. So for this to be done, we require that the effective corner frequency of the output filter can be much smaller than the switching frequency. So we have to get the average state space model by combining the state space model during the on and the off state. So in order to write the average state space model, we have to use these equations. X dot is nothing but the average state equation, which is equal to A1x plus B1u into K plus A2x plus B2u into 1 minus K. Similarly, the output equation is nothing but C1x K plus C2x into 1 minus K. So we have already obtained A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. We need to substitute all these values to get the average state space model. So after combining all those things, after simplifying this equation and after segregating the equations of equations into X and after segregating this as X and U, we will be getting the final state space model as X dot equal to AX plus BU, Y is equal to CX, where A is nothing but A1K plus A2 into 1 minus K, B is equal to B1 K plus B2 into 1 minus K, and C is equal to C1K plus C2 into 1 minus K. So substituting all the values of A1, A2, B1 and B2 and C1 and C2, we get the average state space model, which is nothing but the overall state space model of the boost converter as IL dot VC dot equal to 0, K minus 1 by L, 1 minus K by C minus 1 by RC into IL VC plus K by L0 VS, and V naught is equal to 0, 1 IL VC. So this is the entire state space model of the boost converter, but this is nothing but the A matrix, and this is nothing but the B vector, and this is nothing but the C vector. So we have obtained the state space model of the boost converter. If you want to have the, if you want to know how the differential equations are written and how the average output voltage design equations are derived, then you can refer the video which is given in the description link. Thank you.